Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? Hope everything is well in your world today, guys. I'm back on behalf of copy paste ads. Okay, had to come back because I want to show you guys something. Again, this program is always adding and making new changes. So they've made some additions, and I wanted to just share that with you. But before I do that, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, you're probably here because you're online right now searching for a way to make money online, and that's how you ended up on my page. My page is an affiliate marketing page in which I show you different home-based business opportunities that you can partner with and make income online. Okay, most of them are direct member-to-member programs that I recommend. This way you're getting paid directly from the person that's buying a product from you. Okay, instant pay. Okay, so copy paste ads. This program is just what it says, copy and paste ads. Get paid to copy and paste ads. The ads are pre-written. The company provides that for you in your back office. It's only $149.95 one time. No monthly fees, no pass-ups. You keep 100% commission of all your sales. Okay, you don't have to pass up. There's no one-ups or any of that. Just direct sales, member to member. Every time someone purchases this system, you get paid $100 directly. Okay, and you can receive your payments via Stripe, or PayPal, or the Cash App. Okay, Square. Okay, guys, so let me show you. There's some new updates. Here's some of the capture pages I showed you the other day. They added these two, which is pretty cool. Now, let me show you. But before I do that, I get a lot of people that get confused. Okay, about the capture pages. Okay. If you want to make one of these pages your primary, all you do, guys, is you go right here and it has the word primary. Okay, whatever page you want to be your primary, just select make primary page. Okay, now when you get ready to let's say you purchase some traffic or you buy a domain. Okay, you're going to have to, you click the page. Okay, each page has its own number. Okay, you're going to click the page that you're interested in, the one that you want people to go to. Okay, you click that page, and once you do, when you go to the top of that page, it has a number. Okay, so I'm going to scroll up so you can see this. Okay, see right here, this is the page you're going to copy. Copy that. Okay, if you have a domain, forward it to this link right here. Okay, or if you're buying traffic, you pretty much can give most of them that's doing the ad copy themselves, give them this link. Okay, but that's it, guys. It's a simple process. Okay, I think some people get that confused. Okay, so I want to show you that real quick. Alright, now what I'm here today to do is show you the new feature that they've added back here. Hang on. Oh, what just happened? Okay, right here, guys, I'm in the back office. As you can see, that's me right there. Right here, voicemail messages. What John has done is he has created a voicemail for Facebook. Okay, there's a voicemail. They're all the same. It just says something different at the end. Like this one, it will say, you post an ad on Facebook, leave your cell phone number. This one says, leave your email. Okay, and so forth. Craigslist, leave your cell phone or leave your email. And it references that. I'm going to let you hear mine in a second. Or this is the generic one. I'm using the generic one right now because I'm in different places. And it's not specifically to Craigslist. But you, in order to use this, okay, you need to get an 800 link number. Go over to 800link.com, get your number, and add the texting feature. Okay, it's a texting feature with that. Okay, let me let you listen to my message here. Hang on. Let's see.
Hey, this is John, and I want to show you how I earn thousands of dollars each and every week simply by copying and pasting ads, and that's it. I do no selling, no explaining, and I don't talk to a single person, and you could do this exact same thing. You just copy what I do. You copy my ads and post them in the places I tell you to post them to, and that's it. It's literally that stupid simple. For more information, text your email to this number. Again, text your email to this phone number right now. Thank you.
Okay, so they will leave their message, right? So once you get your number from 800 link, okay, that's the number he's speaking of. That particular number, say you put your ad out and you put your 800 link number on the ad. Instead of a website, you put that number on your ad and you link that message that he just that I just let you listen to. You decide which message you want. Okay, if you're running Craigslist, I would use one of the Craigslist messages. If you use Facebook, if you're just everywhere like I am, placing ads everywhere, I'm using the generic. So you'll upload that file to your 800 link number. Okay, what it's basically explained to the person is leave their email. So you already have their phone number, because if you have 800 link, it tracks the phone number. It's going to email you the way I have mine set up. It's going to email me and text me when I receive a message, a text message or a voicemail. Okay, and then once I receive that message, they would have left their email. Okay, because I have their phone number now. So now you will have the phone number and email. Okay, so now you know you have the real information, and you can actually go here to your capture page, okay, and basically put their information in. You know it's going to be the right information, right? That makes sense. It's not going to be bogus because they're responding to the ad and they want more information, so they're going to give you the correct information. So from that point, you can go here, okay, and enter that information in your capture page. That's one way to do it. Or you can text them back. Wait, you can text them back with your link, or you can go here and put in the information. Then they're going to get in your autoresponder, right? They're going to start receiving the emails. And then you can text them to say, hey, information was sent. Please confirm receipt. Okay, because now you have their cell phone number, the real information. So that's pretty genius of them, of what they've created. Okay, so if that makes sense to you, this is what you're going to do. Okay, go in your back office, pick one of the voicemails up here. Hopefully that makes sense. Pick one of the voicemails, buy your 800 number from 800 link it to the voicemail, place your ad on your ad. Instead of putting a link, put that phone number, and it's going to text you and email you, either or you prefer, that you have a message. And when you get that message, just go ahead and take that information, and you can just go to your capture page and put it in here, and then you could text them, information sent. Please confirm receipt. There you have it. Okay, so a great way to get real information. And now you can have some real dialogue because they provided you with the right information. That makes sense. So it's not going to be bogus information. If you give them your link, sometimes we know people put in bogus information. But now this is a great way to play it and just use your phone number. And now you know you're going to get the right information. Okay, so that's the newbie thing that they've added back here. And in the Facebook group, they mentioned that there's going to be some training as well on Craigslist. Okay, so if you're already in copy paste ad system, make sure you get in tune to get involved with this Craigslist training. Okay, guys, so this is universal information as well, because I can use this information on my Fearless Mama business or my Easy One Up business. Okay, so this is going to be some great training. They've also added back here, let me move this over. this virtual assistant service. If you're interested in just placing the ads and letting the virtual assistant retrieve your messages, your assistant service is available. Either way, or you can do it yourself, okay, and just retrieve the information and contact your prospects. Either way you want to do that. That's it, guys. We'll come to you with an update of what's new and what's being added to the copy and paste system. So it's only going to get better with time, okay? So I highly recommend jump into this, a simple system, copy, pasting ads, and getting paid instant $100 commissions. I mean, I don't think you can get any easier than that other than texting. And someone asked me a question earlier, this weekend, is this the only way you can market? Of course not. You can still do text message marketing. You can do traffic, various ways that you can market this. This is just how it was designed, just to copy paste ads, put them in classified sections, you know, and call it a day. But of course, I'm not just placing the ads. I'm also using my SMS phone lead system, and I'm sending text messages, and I'm doing traffic too, okay? So I'll be happy to share that with you. And I also have some special bonuses. You want to reach out to me before you join to get the bonus that I'm going to give you, okay? So reach out to me. But go ahead and go through the funnel. I'm going to put the link below for copy and paste ads. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the inside, okay? Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, okay? I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.